Guys, welcome to today's video. So we will be talking towards our copy and paste not working on Windows 10. So we will be seeing the 7 best fixes for that. Okay. So we will go through out the one by one solution. That is, first solution is restart Windows Explorer. So how to restart that? For that we have to open our task manager. So for that, opening our task manager, you have to right click on Windows icon here. So you can see here the task manager option. Okay, so I will just simply right click on this task manager, so it will open my task manager here. So you can see here I have what I have to do is I have to close my file explorer from here. So it's not showing my file explorer because I haven't opened my file explorer. Okay, so what we have to do is restart Windows File Explorer or Windows Explorer. So for that, what we have to do is I will open my File Explorer or Windows Explorer. So you can see here it's running, and I will simply click on restart. Okay, so currently I will not do that because I already it's working there, so I will not do that. Okay, so for that you have to do the restart. Okay, but so it will work for you. So this is our first solution. This was our first solution. We will go towards our second solution. Second is update and restart the application. So for that, what we have to do is, because we have the problem of copy and paste not working on Windows 10. Okay, so for that our second solution is update and restart the application. In the case that this problem is specific to an application, okay, if you have if you are running any application that is called any Microsoft Edge, or it can be anything. Okay, so for that specific to an application, close and reopen the application. Okay, the problem with the copy paste not working could also due to a software bug. Okay, so check if there's an update available for the app via the Microsoft Store or the app settings menu. Okay, so next is to clear the Windows clipboard cache. So how to clear the Windows clipboard cache? So for that, what we have to do is we have to open our command prompt. So I will simply type here cmd. I will open here command prompt by command run as administrator. Okay, so I will click on run as administrator and Windows command processor. Okay, so you can see here the administrator command prompt here, Microsoft Windows version 10.0 So I have opened my administrator window here, and after that what we have to do is I have to run some commands. Okay, there is only one command to run here. Okay, for copy paste not working. So what I will do now is I will do here is I will type one command that you have to paste as it is. So I will be typing here the command echo of, and I will be typing here the slash button. Okay, so for that what you have to do is shift plus press the key downside of backspace. Okay, shift plus press the key downside of backspace, so it will print like this. And after, what you have to do is I will simply type here clip, and after click OK. So you can see here echo of dash clip. So I think it will be, so it will solve your problem and your copy paste will be working finely. So next solution is troubleshoot your keyboard. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to in our settings first. So I will go to in your settings first. After that, what we have to do is I will go towards updates and security. I will click on updates and security. After, I will go towards troubleshooting. Okay, so you can see here the troubleshoot option here, troubleshoot, and you can see here the many options for to troubleshoots. So what I will do is I will click on additional troubleshooters. So you can see here after the clicking on additional troubleshooters, you can see the options. I will click on additional troubleshooters. So you can get here the additional troubleshooters, that is internet connections, playing audio, printer, Windows update, Bluetooth, and incoming connections. keyboard network adapter and program compatibility troubleshooters recording audio. So for that what we have to do is I have to select one keyboard and I will click on run the troubleshooter. Okay, so you can see here the windows will pop up, and here I can see here troubleshooting has completed, and you can see see here the close the troubleshooter. Okay, run the troubleshooter, detecting issue, troubleshooting has completed, no changes or updates were necessary. So it's showing like this. So I will close this, and this was also a next solution. So next solution is disable third party clipboard managers. So for that what we have to do is, one drawback of this clipboard managers is you have to do, that is clipboard managers or clipboard apps come with their benefits. Okay, so they can significantly boost your copy and paste experience by holding multiple content, formatting text, combining multiple clips, and lot of more adventures. Okay, so 6th is disable RAM optimization apps, that you have to do it only. And after that last option is restart your Windows or reset your Windows. Okay, for that what I will do is, I will do advanced startup. I will type here advanced startup, that is advanced ADVANCED, advanced startup, open. So you can see here the option to reset this PC, get started. After that keep my files, and this won't take long, it's showing like this. So I will go back, okay, because I don't want to install right now it. So thank you for this video guys, we will meet in next video. Hope you guys find your solution. Thank you.